Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Honeywell thermostat that is not turning on the heat. So if your thermostat says heating is on but the house stays cold or the furnace never starts at all, this quick guide is going to help you troubleshoot this problem. So first of all, you need to check the thermostat is actually set to the heat mode. As it can be seen over here, it should be heat here in the system and it should not be the cool, auto or off. Then you just have to raise the temperature setting a few degrees above the current room temperature. Sometimes the system simply isn't calling for the heat yet. Now, a weak thermostat batteries can also stop the heating commands from working properly. So if your Honeywell thermostat uses batteries, you need to install a fresh set even if the display still turns on. The low battery power can cause communication problems between the thermostat and the furnace. Now you need to also inspect the heating system itself. Just make sure that the furnace is power switch on, the circuit breaker hasn't tripped, and the furnace door is also fully closed. Now you can also try resetting both the thermostat and the heating system. For that, you need to turn off the HVAC power for about 1 minute and then restore the power and allow the system to restart. Now, some Honeywell thermostats also need a few more minutes before sending the new heating command after this particular step. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.